How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice meeting you also. I'm doing great. Yeah, as you were my new friend on my Bigo, I saw you were talking to the man, Tyler. I know him very well.
Yes.
You used to stream on the last year,
Filter
but
goes fake.
then you come back again.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah, I was sick for a while.
you were sick. May I know what happened to you?
Just thyroid issue and gut issues, and my
Oh,
body's going crazy.
oh, okay. So I hope everything is okay.
Not really. But all my vitamin levels are down, so I'm trying to get them back up.
Oh, okay. But I do pray for you so that you can get healed all kinds of problem and just get to the normal situation.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope you will do stream regularly. I would like to see your face smiling and just try to speak out with the people.
Yeah, I was in the agency, but I gotta rejoin it. I gotta rejoin the agency because I've been out too long, so
Mhm.
I have to rejoin the agency I was in.
Oh, okay. Hope you will get everything as well.
Yeah.
Look, I learn English through this application. So, what do you think about my English?
It don't sound bad. Sounds good that you're doing well.
Okay, that's great. So, every day I try to find native English speakers to have conversation in order to do this.
Okay, that's cool. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh,
Okay, I'm from Georgia.
Georgia. Yeah, I think I had a conversation with a Georgia friend, but it's been a while, probably 6 months ago. And you are the one who is the second person from Georgia.
Oh, okay, cool.
Is that your real name that you put on the screen?
Freya,
Hmm?
it's part of my last name.
Okay, last year. Okay, I understand. No need to
Yes.
really put any original things on this application because it's a third party app. So that should be insecure, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I can do also. First click on there and oh, you can get that.
Oh, thank you. How do you do those?
Uh-huh.
It won't let me send you nothing. Well, it'll let me send you that. It won't let me send you a gift.
Oh, so kind of you. You also send me a rose. You know what? Why I sent you rose? Because you look like completely rose.
I like roses.
I
They're my
do.
favorite.
Yeah,
I
I do.
like to grow them too.
Exactly. I do also like rose, and basically I sent this with a meaning that is you look completely beautiful red rose.
Well, thank you.
Oh, Taylor is back. So Taylor, I'm having conversation with your friend Freya.
His name's Tyler.
Tyler. Oh, sorry. You know what? Sometimes I really make mistake
It's okay.
in pronunciation. I'm sorry.
It does
Okay.
sound like it would say Taylor.
Yeah. Yeah. This is my first time. Tyler.
Yeah, I've never met him before, Tyler.
Exactly.
Have you been to the States before?
Never. I never been to United States, but once I'm really planning to go over there.
That's nice.
Okay, it's been a while, so thank you so much. As it's the first time, if you are willing to get off, it's okay. I'm happy with having conversation. It's
Yeah, Yeah, I'll be back on here. I'm gonna try to come on here 2 hours a day.
Okay, thank you so much. So, bye.
Nice meeting you.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Bye bye.
Okay.